His name is Thomas and he walks along the...
Are we off back to the hotel?
Yes, why is Andy fishing? That's Andy fishing. Isn't it? What's he doing?
Hungry.
I'm hungry. Annie, why is your dad fishing over there? Why is your dad fishing? That's your father over there, Annie. Fishing. It is. It is. I'm going to go over with him. Andy! Andy! Andy, wait. Where you go? Andy, wait. Andy! Hey? I've seen him. I'm just talking to Andy. There he is, look. Hello, little bird.
You got something wrong with it?
No, you're right. Just like sunbathing. Wildlife program. No, I don't bother. You know what I've got, do you? Where are you in?
Right, must have it at 4 now.
Where is it? No, there's no wrong. Chuck him in the air and see if he can flying. Dig a big hole and put him in it.
Doggy hole.
Hey?
Is it doggy hole?
No, where? Hey, it's off, flying. Where? That'd be cool.